What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mike Sieben, and in today's video we're going to be talking shipping and logistics. This is just one part in the multi-part series selling on Amazon for beginners. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so shipping and logistics is a very important part of the Amazon selling process, making sure that your products are prepped, packed, and labeled appropriately, making the Amazon receiving process in warehouse a super smooth process. If you guys want to know more about shipping and logistics, please make sure you smash that like button before we get into the video. That helps out the channel immensely, and I appreciate you guys more than you could ever know. So shipping and logistics, I'm gonna break it down into the three different types or ways you can send into Amazon warehouses. And then after we go over to that, we will talk about how to send it in warehouses, the different shipment types, and then we'll talk about how to label and prep products. So make sure you're sticking all the way to the end. There's gonna be some definite nuggets in here that if you're selling on Amazon or thinking about it, you're gonna wanna pay attention to the entire video. There are multiple ways that you can send in products to Amazon FBA, ranging anywhere from completely hands-off to, bringing it into your own facility and doing it all yourself. So the first way to do it, and how most Amazon sellers will actually start to fulfill their orders, is order product to their own house or to their own warehouse, and they will prep, pack, and label all of the product themselves. This is generally gonna be the cheapest option. As you grow and scale to be large seller, most mega sellers have their own warehouses. Just ends up being cheaper than, paying Amazon or paying someone else to label and prep your products, and it ends up making sure that the product is exactly what you expect. It's in the exact condition that you want it to be, and then just that peace of mind of you seeing your own product before it goes into warehouse. So the process would be essentially purchasing from your suppliers, then you get them to ship it to your own house, warehouse, facility, whatever that may be, and then from there you inspect, pack, prep, and label the products, and then you would ship them to Amazon. So the second way that you can handle the shipping and logistics process is a prep center. A prep center is essentially a service that will handle all of the inspection, labeling, and prep on your behalf. They will have a warehouse located somewhere, in your country or the selling market that you're selling on, and then they will essentially take over that entire process from step one for you. So this is a great way to make sure that somebody, a third party that you trust, has eyes on the product, that your supplier supplied you with, the right quantities, they supplied you with the exact same product that you were hoping to receive, and then they have people that are trained and dedicated on Amazon's policies that know how to properly pack, prep, and label all of the products accordingly, and then send them into Amazon in a manner that Amazon expects. This is actually what we do for our business. For 70, maybe 80% of our product, we actually have a prep center out in LA who does all of this work for us. They do an amazing job, and that is why we have stuck with them, this entire way. And then going on to the third and the final way to handle the process would be direct from supplier. So if you're sending directly from your supplier, you generally want to make sure that you have a good relationship with them, make sure they know all of the Amazon policies and guidelines that are in place and what's expected from each and every shipment. Ensure that you have a level of trust built between you two, that if something is to go wrong, heaven forbid, that they will be able to take accountability, take responsibility, correct any little issues that there are in the future and going forward. And then obviously they have to know that you're selling on Amazon Amazon because you're going to be sending into an Amazon warehouses, and sending into Amazon warehouse isn't exactly the same as, you know, them just shipping it to your house. So you have to make sure that they know what they're doing. Once you get to that realm and that level of trust and, you know, mutual understanding, then this can be a great way because it saves you from shipping to one address just to send it directly into Amazon. So you're kind of cutting out that middleman, and can be a great option and a great opportunity if you can set up that relationship with your supplier. All right, and so now we're gonna move forward to the 3 different ways that you can actually send into Amazon. So this is talking once all of the products are prepped, labeled, and packed, how exactly can you send them into Amazon? Well, you generally have 3 options. In the back end of Seller Central, when you're creating a shipment, you can go on there and there are 3 different ways in which you can send a product into Amazon. First way would be SPD, or small parcel delivery, and this is essentially using a service like UPS or FedEx. You know, the one partner that Amazon uses that you can purchase shipping right through them is UPS. So this is going to be for any handheld boxes. So this can be anywhere from 1 to an infinite amount of boxes, but this is going to be the quickest but also most expensive way that you can ship into Amazon. So this is really good for very, very small orders or products that are taking a long time on pallets to get shipped in. You take them and you put them in boxes. If you're okay with paying a little extra cost, you'll get them checked in quickly. The second way to send into Amazon is called LTL, or less than truckload. So this is going to be for products that are on a pallet but cannot fill up a full truckload. Generally, a full truckload is around 28 pallets. That can vary depending on the truck and the type of pallets. The benefit of this is obviously if you can't fill a full truck but you want to ship on a pallet and not individual boxes, it's going to be a lot less expensive than SPD shipment. The reason it's a lot less expensive is because they're just carrying one thing. A carrier can deliver a truck, they pick up a pallet, they drop off a pallet. It's a lot less labor intensive. Deliveries are a lot more scheduled. Obviously, on the flip side, the downside of this is that delivery window receiving times are a lot longer. Right now, as of filming this, we're moving into the 4th quarter of 2020. Amazon is extremely backed up in their warehouses, and you can expect anywhere from 2 to 4 weeks for them to receive your inventory. So if you are shipping LTL, make sure that you have other product going in via another service, and unless you've planned, and you can wait up to a month to get these received, but you will save a whole lot of money versus SPD. The third and final way to ship in is a full truckload. Full truckload is going to be, you know, around 28 pallets. You'll specifically order a truck with this service, will come to your warehouse or to your prep center, and then you put in a full truckload of 28 pallets. This is the cheapest way to ship by far. If you're able to do the volume, it's definitely recommended to do a full truckload. I've seen 10,000 units go into a truckload and the shipping per unit be like 3.5 cents to ship it into Amazon. So it's extremely cheap. And then on the flip side, it's actually a lot quicker for Amazon to receive the product because it's a dedicated truck and they know that this entire truck is being dedicated to one seller account. So they aren't having a truck mixed with 28 different sellers' pallet. It's all dedicated to you. So, this can be checked in within a few days to up to 2 weeks, generally a lot quicker than LTL and a lot cheaper, but obviously it's big volume and that's a lot of products that you have to be sending in. All right, guys, that is all I have for you today. I hope that you learned a lot. I hope that you're able to get some knowledge on the different styles and ways that you can ship into Amazon, some of the requirements and the different ways that you can fulfill those obligations. If you have any questions about anything that I said here today, or you want to let me know what you do with your prep service or your warehouse, or if you just have your supplier send everything in, let me know down in the comment section. It'd be super cool to talk to you guys about that kind of thing. As well, please do not forget to smash the like button. That helps us get this out to the most amount of people possible and help all of the new sellers. Please make sure that you subscribe, hit the little notification bell so you can know every single time that I post a new video. That means the world to me. You guys don't know how much I appreciate all of the love and support that I get, and being able to help out brand new sellers is such a great feeling. Other than that, guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope you have a great day and take care.